Often we want to cut and paste. That is, we want to cut data out of one location and put it in a separate location. It's generally when we've had a change of heart as to the layout of the data and we want to move data from one place to another. So we cut it from one place and put it somewhere else. I'm going to ask you to highlight A1 to A14, for example, and we're going to cut the information out of these cells using the cut button. When I click the cut button or Control X, I get a wiggle around the outside of the selected area, and the bottom left of my screen is telling me what to do next. It's telling me to select my destination, i.e. where I want to put it, and press Enter. I'm going to select H1 and press Enter. And I've just cut first name out of this column here and put it into column H. I'd like to now highlight B1 to B14, cut the last names out of here and paste them into here. So with these cells selected, I'm going to click the cut icon. I get a wiggly border and the bottom left of my screen is saying select your destination and press Enter. So I'm going to select A1 and press Enter. I now want to cut the first names out of column H and put them into column B. So I'm going to highlight H1 to H14 and I'm going to cut. I'm going to go to B1 and press Enter. And I've effectively switched these two pieces of information around.